Hey drivers and car enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most important aspects of car care with our top 5 car vacuum cleaners of 2025. Keeping your car's interior spotless is a breeze with these powerful portable vacuums. We'll be reviewing the top models for suction power, portability, and ease of use, so you can keep your ride looking fresh. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on each product, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car care and gadget reviews. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, the Xiaomi Mijia Portable Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile compact tool that packs a punch. With a powerful 13,000 pascal suction force and an 88,000 RPM brushless motor, it's perfect for cleaning both home and car interiors. Its slim design, comparable to a thermos, makes it incredibly easy to store and carry, while the wireless operation allows for flexible cleaning anywhere. This vacuum is ideal for reaching tight spots, thanks to its multifunctional nozzles that effortlessly handle keyboards, car crevices, and upholstery. Its one-touch dust disposal feature makes cleanup mess-free, and the 30-minute battery life in low gear ensures you have plenty of time to tackle any task. Whether you need to clean hard-to-reach areas or quickly tidy up a messy car, the Xiaomi Mijia Portable Vacuum is a powerful, convenient choice for everyday use. At number 4, the Basis A5 Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner delivers impressive performance in a lightweight portable package. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's perfect for those who need a compact, easy-to-use vacuum for on-the-go cleaning. Its brushless motor offers 16,000 pascals of suction power on fast mode, making it ideal for removing dirt, dust, and debris from tight spaces. What sets this vacuum apart is its dust-air separation design, ensuring clean air during operation while minimizing clogging. The large 150-milliliter dust bin is easy to empty, and it features a smart display to alert you when it's time to change the filter. With fast recharging via USB-C and a 30-minute runtime in eco mode, the Basis A5 is perfect for quick and efficient car cleanups. Its lightweight and compact design make it an ideal travel companion for keeping your car spotless on the road. At number 3, the SZUK Car Vacuum Cleaner is a small yet mighty powerhouse, offering a massive 180,000 pascal suction force, one of the strongest in its class. Its advanced brushless motor ensures quiet, efficient performance, making it a perfect fit for cleaning both your car and home. Whether it's pet hair, dust, or debris, this vacuum makes quick work of it all. With an impressive noise level of just 52 decibels. Its ergonomic wireless design allows you to clean comfortably, and the durable 2000 mAh battery gives you extended cleaning time. The included 6 accessories make it versatile enough for any task, from car interiors to keyboards. Additionally, it can withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. If you're looking for a powerful, long-lasting vacuum that's built to handle various messes effortlessly, the SZUK Car Vacuum Cleaner is your go-to solution. At number 2, the Basis AP02 Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner is designed with pet owners in mind. Its silicone roller brush picks up pet hair effortlessly without the hassle of entanglement, making it ideal for both home and car use. With 3 versatile attachments, this vacuum is perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like keyboard crevices and tight corners in your vehicle. The built-in LED light ensures you never miss debris in dark spaces, while the large 1,000-milliliter dustbin is great for extended cleaning sessions. Powered by a long-lasting 10,000 mAh battery, the AP02 offers up to 25 minutes of cleaning time per charge. Its cordless, lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and with simple dustbin disposal at the push of a button, cleaning has never been easier. If you're looking for a reliable vacuum with extra features to handle pet hair and more, the Basis AP02 is an excellent option. At number 1, Basis A3 Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for a compact yet powerful car vacuum? Meet the Basis A3 Wireless Car Vacuum Cleaner. Equipped with a robust 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, this vacuum delivers impressive suction power of up to 15,000 pascals, perfect for tackling dust, debris, and pet hair. Despite its small size, slimmer than a thermos, it's packed with performance, offering up to 45 minutes of battery life with its 2000 mAh battery. Switch between 2 suction modes for versatile cleaning, and enjoy smart cleaning with its automatic suction boost when encountering stubborn messes. The built-in light makes cleaning dark corners a breeze, while the dual-use nozzle handles crevices and upholstery with ease. Plus, the metallic body adds a touch of style to your car's interior. With a 70-milliliter dustbin and HEPA filtration system, it ensures thorough cleaning without releasing dust back into the air. For anyone wanting power and convenience in a sleek design, the Basis A3 is a top choice. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.